Yo, man. Yes, sir, bro. That double up was definitely necessary on one of my favorite sneakers released this year in 2023. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys already know the spiel. I greatly appreciate you guys, you know what I'm saying, pulling up to the video, seeing what your boy The Vintage is talking about. You know, we always talking about some dope stuff, showing some dope stuff, you know what I'm saying, give you guys the latest and greatest information on how there's sneakers for retail. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, go and hit that red button, that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop here on the channel, man. And please follow it up with a huge like on today's video. We want to get this video up to 500 likes. And then tomorrow's video, I got something very special to show you guys, and I'm gonna be announcing a giveaway that I will be doing, man. So you definitely want to tap into tomorrow's video. We use something free and we use something early before releases, man. All right, man, so here we have them, bro. You guys see it, man. Y'all see the Nike up top, bro. Y'all see where these things came from, you feel me? And this is actually a sneaker that just released, and the shipping was pretty fast relative to all other times I did hit on the sneakers app. These came pretty fast, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. We're gonna get right into the sneakers, bro. We're gonna get right into them, man. And here we have them, bro. Let's go ahead and pop them open real quick. And you guys see, bro. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what's inside, right? Y'all already see what's up inside, bro. You can tell by the box. And finally, I have a pair of these without a messed up box, bro. Here we have them, man. Here we have them. You see the gold up top. You see the reflection popping off these things. And my other box, let me grab it real quick. Let me grab my other box real quick so y'all can see what I'm talking about, man. Like, this box was so messed up. Thanks to UPS, I didn't get any money from the claim that I submitted. But y'all see this box compared to this box, bro. Y'all see how damaged it is? There's like somebody was Hulk smashing these things, bro. Like, look at the box, bro. You can't even put it together. You can't even put these things together, man. But that's neither here nor there. Let's get into the brand new things, you feel me? The fresh thing straight from Nike. And real quick, the official colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG, black metallic gold and palomino. Y'all know what these is, bro. And I got these things in a size 9, as you guys can see. And let's go ahead and flip the top open, because I know y'all tired of seeing them already. And I know y'all tired of hearing me talk about these beautiful things, but this is my favorite Air Jordan 1 to release this year. And here we have them, the Air Jordan 1 Palominos, man. So we're gonna go ahead and pull both of these out of the box, man. Oh my God, bro. Every time I see them, man, these things just look even better, bro. And these came straight from Nike, not the back door, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know what I'm saying, y'all know what I'm talking about. These came straight from Nike, and they smell just like, you know, any other regular brand new Air Jordan 1. That potent smell that a fresh pair of Air Jordan 1s has is just crazy, man. And here we have them though, bro, the Palominos. And I want to know right now down below in the comment section, bro, who all copped a pair, and who else like me doubled up on these things, bro. When I dropped the recap video when these did drop, I seen people talking about they tripled up, quadrupled up. I said, bro, I don't think it's that serious. But I do know that this is a very dope sneaker. And I think, you know what I'm saying, if you did not pull that trigger now, like I said, you wait a little bit longer, I think the resale will start hiking up. That's what I always tell you guys, bro. Do not wait to cop. Cop them while the resale is low. So I think it's definitely gonna be doing some numbers, you know what I'm saying, middle of next year time frame, next fall time frame, because people gonna forget about the Palomino release. All the pairs is already sold out. You know what I'm saying? We might see them for Sneakers Day. Who knows? Sneakers Day is all up in the air right now. I done had peaks and valleys as far as, you know, happiness and excitement for Sneakers Day. Now my excitement all the way to the bottom, because I don't know what they're going to be doing. But when it comes to the Palomino things, I definitely think that we probably won't see enough. When we going to see this again, bro? Like, that's my main point. When are we going to see a Palomino Air Jordan 1? And we already don't get a lot of brown Air Jordan 1s as it is. Look at the Mocha Travis Scotts. Look at the Mocha Air Jordan 1s. Look at the Palominos. All super unique colorways that we probably will not see it again, bro. Unfortunately, we probably won't see it again. They might do, like I said, a couple of restocks in a little bit of certain areas. But as far as like a general release, I don't see it happening again. And that's why I definitely think that resale will start creeping up here sooner than later, bro. And I'm gonna pull the phone out real quick just because I do want to check out what the resale is hitting for, man. I love the sneaker. I know you guys see my excitement. As soon as I did unbox these the first time, I said, bro, I love the Palomino ones. I think they better than the UNC toes. And I think it's fair to say that it was about 50-50 when we did do a comparison with the UNC toes and the Palomino Air Jordan 1. So it's up in the air right now. What's the best Jordan 1? I always leave it up to you guys in the comment section. I know everybody feels different ways about the sneaker. I know it's a lot of people that love UNC toes. I know it's a lot of people that love the Palominos like myself. But let's go ahead and pull it up, bro, for the Palominos. And the sizes is going for around 200, bro. Around $200, which we all could say is pretty high for Jordan 1 in 2023, bro. This is a lot for Jordan 1 in 2023. We used to see these things going for under retail, going for like 150, 160. If you pull up the True Blue ones right now, or the Dark Marina Blues, or even the Rebellion Air Jordan 1s, the things is super low. But when it comes to Mocha, Brown, Air Jordan 1, you got the sale hits on the midsole and all those dope hits. I definitely think them numbers gonna start rising. And that's what I always say, man. Cop these things while the resale value is low, bro. I'm trying to tell you, trying to put y'all on game, man. So not only do we have one pair, let me go ahead and grab the other one real quick that's already laced up. We have the double up, man. We have the double up. It was necessary. So I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be rocking these things so much, bro. I know I'm gonna wear them so much. Then I'm look down a couple years later, I said, bro, I'm gonna need a second pair. And that's why we have the Palomino ones. And also, you know, even if I don't beat these up and later down the line the resale is looking good, I can use these as trade baits. So that's really why a lot of people do double up, quadruple up, and all that crazy stuff, because they probably seek that or see that the resale might go up. They can use it later down the line to go get that heat that they want when the resale on these does grow in value. Because everybody loves flipping sneakers every once in a while. This they can get what they really want as far as, you know, hype sneakers, bro. So yeah, man, like I said, let me know down below in the comment section if you secured a pair of these things. I know y'all probably tired of hearing me talking about these things, but I had to unbox them, had to give you guys some content today, had to put y'all up on game. Don't wait till the resale keep rising. Cop these things now. You know what I'm saying? And I gotta reiterate, bro, I love these things. Me, the best Jordan 1 of the year. I don't think there's nothing touching these. And if somebody say the satin breads, I don't want to hear it at all, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's quick little video. Unboxing another pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s that was definitely necessary. I think the resale definitely will rise, but I guess we're gonna see later next year on how these things do on the resale market. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop, man. And before you slide out of today's video, please leave a huge, I'm talking about a huge like on today's video, man. And I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Remember, giveaway coming soon and a nice early banger for you guys.